You think lions are the kings? Nope. You've never seen stealth like a tiger's. And if you had, you probably didn't live to tell the tale. Tigers are the best solo hunters on Earth. They walk silently, thanks to padded paws, and can blend into shadows so well, even prey just feet away doesn't notice. They don't roar before the kill. They pounce. Fast, deadly. But here's the wild part. Their stripes? They're not just camouflage. Each pattern is as unique as a fingerprint. And get this. You've probably walked past one in the wild and didn't even know it. In fact, a tiger's kill success rate can hit nearly 50%, double that of lions. Which means if a tiger wants you,